Capricorn, hi, welcome to your August 2021 reading. This is a general read, will not resonate with everybody, every Capricorn. So, without much delay, let's get started. I'll get a single card from the universe for an overall message, and then we'll move on to the tarot reading. So, your overall message from the universe for August 2021. Here and now. So this card is number 32. It means being in the present and not in the past or the future. So if you are thinking about something and reminiscing on things that are long gone, then probably this message resonates with you. So let's move on to the tarot reading. So this is, I'll pull 3 cards out. One is your past energy. Second is your current, and third will be the outcome, what is going to come for you. So let's get your past energies, Capricorn. 2 cards came out. 7 of Wands in the reverse and 2 of Swords. So this is your past energy, 7 of Wands in the reverse and the 2 of Swords. And in your present, what is your current energy? What's the current energy for Capricorn? Current energy for Capricorn. The Page of Pentacles, Strength and the Hierophant. This is your current energy, the Page of Pentacles, Strength and the Hierophant. Let's see what lies ahead of you. What lies ahead of Capricorn? What lies ahead of Capricorn for August 2021? 2 of Pentacles. Somebody else got 2 of Pentacles. I don't remember who. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords. Okay. So in the recent past, you have the 7 of Wands and the 2 of Swords, out of which the 7 of Wands fell in the reverse. So I think you had given up on something, you had been stubborn about something, and you were cut off from the rest of what the world was thinking, okay? And you had probably been in your own world and trying to understand, guarding your heart and trying to not pay much attention to what is, because you yourself did not know what you had to fight for. So you were leaving it at that, and you were not actually capable of taking a decision on something, okay? So I cannot see this card very clearly, but what I can see, I think I see somebody hiding something, trying to hide something, and looking back to see if somebody's looking at them or what is happening in the past. So you were confused in the past about something, and you had stopped defending yourself because you did not know what was going on and could not make a decision. Now in the present, you have the Page of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Hierophant. So you're now progressing from that state wherein you were not defending anything because you yourself were not convinced about what things were standing for, to you're gathering strength, and you're now capable enough of standing up for yourself, okay? And you're gaining that sort of a balance, and there is a committed relationship probably, or somebody higher up than you, to which or you are acting up to what you should be standing for, okay? And you're slowly learning to do this, You've been lacking the mental strength probably in the past, but you're doing that at the moment. And in the future, what happened to the Two of Pentacles in the future indicates that you will be successful in balancing things as they should be. But let's get clarifiers and try and understand what's happening. Okay, so let's explain the Seven of Wands. The Seven of Wands for you, Capricorn. Seven of Wands. Please explain the Seven of Wands for Capricorn. The Devil and the Ten of Wands. So somebody was hugely imbalanced in the past. As I said, they were struggling with something, okay? They were not knowing what to do, and they were obsessed and unbalanced. Certainly not a healthy state of affairs. Okay, the Devil is your card, so this is your energy, and you are struggling with work, a lot of emotional or workload, physical, and probably balancing between things, which, and you are not able to do so, trying to make a decision regarding the heart possibly, and losing it altogether. Now let's see what's happening here in the current, and why is the Page of Pentacles over here? Why is the Page of Pentacles here? Page of Pentacles normally indicates some sort of beginning in learning, or trying to step up into something, okay? This is a new beginning for you, and you are experimenting with things, learning, etc. So you could be finding the strength to start from the very beginning, unlearn something. The Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is being independent. So I think you're trying the Page of Pentacles explained by the Nine of Pentacles. So you're slowly learning how to be self-reliant and self-dependent. You know, Nine of Pentacles often indicates somebody who is quite learning to look after themselves, but they're not very happy over here in this card. Nine of Pentacles energy is independent energy, and probably you did not want to do this. You were forced to be independent and strong, Capricorn, I think because of what you had learned in the past. So that explains the Page of Pentacles. Now why is the Strength card over here? Moon. So things were hidden for you, you were not using, probably you had to use your intuitive potential to understand what's happening behind the scenes. Probably things were not as you thought, and now you are gaining strength to see what lies beyond. Till now you did not have. You did not try and you know, get to see what's happening in actuality. So this is why the Strength card is over here. And now why is the Hierophant over here? Why is the Hierophant over here? The Hierophant card, please explain the Hierophant. I think you're slowly becoming committed to something. King of Cups. So King of Cups explained, the Hierophant explained by the King of Cups. So I think the King of Cups is somebody who is advancing towards you with a cup of love, or the King of Cups is the embodiment of self-love and care, you know. Either case, somebody is being very committed to you, and you are being committed to someone, or you know. Let's get one more card for the Hierophant over here. So you are entering into a committed relationship, which is a partnership which is very close to your heart, possibly. Probably in the past there was a burden or an imbalanced codependent relationship which you were struggling to get out of, and now you're getting out of it. Justice. So you're getting justice now, and the much needed self-love or abundance, and the ability to stand up for yourself, or somebody is giving this to you. Let's see why the Two of Pentacles is there in the future. Why is the Two of Pentacles? I think you could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, Capricorn. The Page of Cups. So definitely there is this new beginning in love, which is coming towards you, or this is a friendship which has blossomed into sort of something more promising. But you are definitely moving beyond something that was not, which was toxic possibly, and now after unveiling, after having the courage to say goodbye to something which was holding you back, now you're moving towards something more fulfilling, something more stable and committed, and structurally very sound. And the Two of Pentacles is balancing out things, evening out things, and this is explained by the Page of sorry, did I say Page of Cups? Yeah, it's a Page of Cups. So the Page of Cups is a new beginning in emotional relationships, or it could be a message from somebody. Let's see let's get two more cards, one or two more cards to explain this. Why is the Two of Cups and the Page of Cups, sorry, Two of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. So you're going to choose one of the options that is available for you. The Six of Pentacles. So you're going towards balance, something which is definitely giving you equally. As to equally means you two are contributing equally to a specific situation. There's equal give and take over here. There is no imbalance, and this definitely seems to be a love reading, because the bottom of the deck is a Knight of Cups. So a slow moving energy, but definitely very close to your heart, and it's completely opposite to what you had experienced in the past, wherein you were burdened with something very toxic, or something toxic is being converted over here to something more meaningful. Let's get one or two or more cards here to explain. Let's find out why the here and now is here. So I believe the Devil in the past indicates some toxic relationship out of which you must come. The Two of Wands. So expansion, definitely, Capricorn. So Two of Wands is being here but wanting to go somewhere else. So I think you have been advised to take charge of the now, be in the present, and deal with what is making you unstable. Okay, so this is your reading. Let's get one more card to explain Capricorn's status. One more card for Capricorn, please. The World. So it's going to be a world of change for you. Cycles are coming to an end, and yeah, don't feel stuck in the past, because stability is coming, commitment is coming, if it is not already there. And there is a lot of cups in this reading, which means that you are going to have a lot of love coming towards you, okay, as opposed to the past. I hope this resonates, Capricorn. Do let me know in the comments, and please like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you around for the mid-August reading. Till then, bye-bye. Thanks.